Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Smile to Live. This is your host, Rahul. And friends, today we are in the city of joy. Yes, we are in Kolkata today. And so, our next few episodes will be Kolkata Diaries. एंड फ्रेंड्स व्हेन वी आर इन द सिटी ऑफ जॉय, जब हम सिटी ऑफ जॉय में हैं तो आज हम कुछ भी सीरियस बात नहीं करेंगे. वी विल नॉट टॉक एनीथिंग सीरियस, बट येस वी विल टॉक अबाउट समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नॉट सो सीरियस इन टर्म्स ऑफ द टॉपिक बट वेरी सीरियस इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइफ. वी विल टॉक अबाउट सक्सेस टुडे. आज हम सक्सेस के बारे में बात करेंगे. फ्रेंड्स, इन द लास्ट एपिसोड वी टॉक्ड अबाउट हाउ टू डील विथ फेलियर्स. फेलियर से कैसे डील करना है ये हमने बात करी थी. टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू डील विथ सक्सेस, बिकॉज इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो दैट व्हेन सक्सेस कम्स टू अस जस्ट लाइक फेलियर, हाउ टू डील विद इट सो दैट वी डू नॉट गेट ओवरवेल्म्ड बाय इट, वी डू नॉट लूज आवर फोकस, वी डू नॉट लूज आवर पाथ. सो टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू डील विथ सक्सेस इन लाइफ. Before we start discussing about success and how to deal with it, let us first have a basic understanding, or you can say the true understanding of the word success. Do we really know it? क्या हमें सच में पता है success क्या है? Friends, in majority of the cases that I have come across, the understanding of the people about success is something totally far from reality. Few lakhs of rupees as bank balance, a big car, a big house, a respectable position in a renowned company. Bas, that's it. That's how they understand and they define success. But friends, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप थोड़ा सा पॉज करें और थोड़ा सा सोचें इस बात को. आपकी लाइफ में जब भी आपने कुछ मटीरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स अचीव की हैं जिसको आप सोचते हैं कि सक्सेस है, वर यू रियली सेटिस्फाइड आफ्टर दैट? Temporarily you might be, because that is the thing you wanted to achieve, you have achieved it, well done. But were you really satisfied after that? After achieving that, did you not have the desire to achieve the next step, achieve something more, achieve a few more lakhs of rupees as bank balance, achieve a bigger car, achieve a bigger position in a bigger company? No? Well friends, I leave this question for you to ponder upon. मैं ये सवाल आपको सोचने के लिए छोड़ देता हूँ कि क्या वो चीज़ जो आपको सेटिस्फाई नहीं करती है, उल्टा और बेचैन कर देती है, अगला कुछ हासिल करना है, अगला कुछ हासिल करना है, क्या वो सक्सेस है? Does that thing which does not satisfy you but instead grows the desire inside you to achieve the next thing, the next thing, the next bigger thing, is that success? Well friends, that is not the question we will discuss in today's video. That is for a later stage. Today we will only talk about the success that most of the people believe in, that most of the people think about is success. जो सब लोग सोचते हैं कि ये सक्सेस है. आज हम सिर्फ उसी सक्सेस के बारे में बात करेंगे. Friends, believe me, it is as difficult to absorb success as it is to absorb failure, because we cannot accept change in our life, be it in the positive sense or in the negative sense. We cannot accept the change in the first instance. We tend to doubt it. We tend to doubt its existence. So it is the most important thing to first accept what has happened. एंड फ्रेंड्स, जब हम सक्सेस के बारे में बात करते हैं, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट सक्सेस, अचीविंग समथिंग इज वेरी इजी फ्रेंड्स, बट टू रिटेन इट, टू होल्ड ऑन टू इट, टू मेंटेन द स्टैंडर्ड, टू मेंटेन द लेवल, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, एंड दैट इज वेयर मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल फेल. So friends, today I will talk about 10 points. Yes, 10 points I'll talk about which we should keep in mind once we are at that stage when we have achieved success. जब हम success achieve कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद उसको maintain करने के लिए, उसको retain करने के लिए मैं 10 points सिर्फ आपको बताऊंगा. And believe me friends, if you are able to maintain these 10 points at the phase when you have achieved success, your life would become extremely easy and happy after that. Number 1, believe that you deserve the success. Friends, the most common feeling that majority of the people get when they achieve success is that they do not deserve it. Why? Because our mind has been conditioned in such a way that we do not accept anything at the first instance, be it positive or negative. We do not tend to believe it. We cannot accept that this has actually happened. So friends, the first and the foremost thing is believe that you deserve the success. The second point, do not undervalue yourself. Friends, this point is related to the first point, because when we do not believe in the success that we have got, we undervalue ourselves. We feel that we are not for this place, or this place is not for us. But friends, please trust it that if that place was not meant for you, or had there been some other person in your place, then that feat would not have been achieved, because that place was meant for you and you were meant for that place to be, so you are there. So do not undervalue yourself, because when you do that, you run into low self-esteem and block yourself from further achievements. Number 3, celebrate your success. Friends, what happens most of the times is the ambitious people, they just move on to the next assignment. जो ambitious लोग होते हैं वो एक सक्सेस के बाद चुपचाप दूसरे असाइनमेंट पे मूव ऑन कर जाते हैं. बट फ्रेंड्स, यू डिजर्व टू सेलिब्रेट. You should celebrate, because celebrating embeds that success chip in your brain. सेलिब्रेट करने से जो सक्सेस आपने अचीव की है वो आपके ब्रेन में गथ जाती है और आपको फ्यूचर में बहुत हेल्प करती है. सो फ्रेंड्स, यू शुड सेलिब्रेट योर सक्सेस बिकॉज यू डिजर्व इट. 4, forget yesterday. Friends, we all have encountered failures in our life at some point of time, and if someone says that he or she has not encountered any failure, that person is lying blatantly. हम सब कभी ना कभी लाइफ में फेल हुए हैं, और अगर कोई ये कहता है कि कभी वो फेल नहीं हुआ है तो वो सरासर झूठ बोल रहा है. सो फ्रेंड्स, फेलियर्स को पीछे छोड़ के वी शुड लीव आवर फेलियर्स बिहाइंड. वी शुड फॉरगेट आवर yesterday which was not so good and focus on the present which is good, and plan for the future which we want to make better. Number 5, don't count on tomorrow. Friends, it will not be a sunny day always. There are rainy days as well. So like a cycle, if today is success, then tomorrow it might be a failure. Do not count on tomorrow that tomorrow would be like this. All successful people have ups and downs in their life, and that is not easy. But being content in wherever you are today, आप आज जहां भी हैं, जिस लेवल पे भी हैं, उस पे संतोष करने से जो एटीट्यूड एडजस्टमेंट आप करते हैं वो फ्यूचर में आपको बहुत हेल्प करता है. दी adjustment of the attitude that you do by being content in the present at whatever level you are helps a long way in your future. Number 6, forgive yourself for not being Bill Gates. Friends, do you really want to be the richest person in the world? क्या आप सच में दुनिया के सबसे अमीर आदमी बनना चाहते हैं? What Bill Gates did was decide to donate his billions of dollars to people who need it, because he did not need that much money, and neither do you. Point number 7, reward those who have been there with you in your success. Friends, consider yourself very fortunate. आप अपने आप को बहुत किस्मत वाला समझिए if you have had people around you who have supported you in your endeavors which has led to success. आप अपने आप को बहुत ही किस्मत वाला समझिए अगर आपके आसपास वैसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने आपके उस फेज में, उस स्ट्रगल में आपकी हेल्प करी, आपकी मदद करी. And friends, when we recognize these people and reward these people after achieving success, it gives a sense of accomplishment to them as well. It gives a sense of belongingness to them as well, and it holds them, it binds them to you for all your future endeavors. So friends, it is very important to show the attitude of gratitude to people, to things who were there with you in your endeavors to success. 8, understand that success can change how people relate to you. Now friends, this is very important for you to understand, because you cannot change other people's feelings towards you or other people's perception about your current situation, but you definitely can change your mindset and be happy. Friends, everything comes with a price, and so does success. So do not feel strange and do not feel awkward when suddenly the person who was very near and dear to you yesterday when you were struggling distances himself or herself from you when you achieve success. Most people have noticed that they are being treated differently when they have achieved a certain feat, when they have achieved a success, or when they have achieved a fortune. ऐसा होता है फ्रेंड्स कि सडनली आपको एक अलग ट्रीटमेंट मिलती है, लोग आपसे दूसरी तरह से बिहेव करने लगते हैं. And friends, here is the thing to understand. When you achieve something, there is bound to be enviousness, there is bound to be jealousy around you. People are bound to get sad because you are happy, because you have achieved the success, and you cannot do anything for it because this is human nature. So being aware of such people and such situations, you can spare yourself a good amount of mental harassment. So please be aware. Number 9, accept awards. Awards help you understand and believe that you deserve the success. फ्रेंड, अगर आपको सक्सेस के लिए कोई अवार्ड मिल रहा है तो उसे स्वीकार कीजिए, उसे एक्सेप्ट कीजिए, क्योंकि वो आपको मदद करेगा ये यकीन दिलाने में कि आप वो सक्सेस डिजर्व करते थे, आप उस चीज़ के लिए बने थे और वो आपको मिली है. एंड नंबर 10, शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड लेसन्स विद अदर्स. Friends, achieving our goals and getting everything we want is definitely enjoyable. But what is more enjoyable is to inspire and help others to do the same. आपको जो चाहिए वो अगर आप अचीव कर रहे हैं तो नो डाउट उसमें बहुत मज़ा आता है, लेकिन उससे भी मज़ा आता है फ्रेंड्स अगर आप किसी और को प्रोत्साहित कर रहे हैं, प्रेरित कर रहे हैं और मदद कर रहे हैं वो चीज़ें उसके ड्रीम्स को अचीव करने के लिए. When we touch people's life, help them achieve their dreams, help them achieve their greatness, that is when we leave a legacy. Hence it becomes more important that when we have sufficient amount of experience, we should pass it on to other people and help them achieve their dreams and become successful in their lives. So friends, those were 10 very important points that I just told you about how to handle your success and how to prepare yourself for future successes and maintain the continuity. Friends, whatever may be the situation, जो भी परिस्थिति हो, do not get overwhelmed by success, be it in the positive or the negative side. Remain grounded. Just understand that this is the present where you are, this is where you are supposed to be, and this was meant for you to be here. That's why you are here. So friends, I'm sure you must have derived some value out of this video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button, please post your comments, your suggestions, your feedback, and if you have liked the video, please share it with your friends and family so that they can also help themselves change their lives. And friends, if you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any of the important videos that I would be sharing here. With that friends, we come to the end of the first episode of our Kolkata Diaries. There is much more to come, so stay tuned. See you soon friends in the next episode of Kolkata Diaries. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and smile to live.